Now I'll make the fudgy brownies. Come and join us. For this we need flour, cocoa powder, espresso, salt, sugar, vanilla extract, and melted butter, and chocolate. I'll start now. And then I'll whisk it. And here I'll put the white sugar. And whisk it even more. And then I'll add the melted butter. And then set it aside. I'll put the flour and put the cocoa in a new container. I'll put the espresso powder in this. And then I'll put the salt. And then I'll mix it. And then I'll combine the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And then I'll mix them again. Now when they are well combined, it's time to put the vanilla. So I'll mix it. Finally, I can put the melted chocolate. Mix. Now it's ready, we'll put in the baking pan. Now it's ready, I'll put it in the oven for half an hour. Can bubble come when we have brownies?